folks, welcome to Budgie Boy's vlog. This is just a video to show you that if you do have an aviary and you want to bring your budgies in at night, you can still do that. You just need a little carrier cage to bring them from the aviary into the house, and then vice versa back from the house to the aviary in the morning. Sometimes it's quite nice when it's cold outside, and also you get to spend more time with your budgies. So I've tried to train the budgies now to jump into their cage, or at least come onto my hand and get into the cage when it's time to come in at night. And I've put a couple of mirrors in the cage just to encourage them, because they love their mirrors. So what I normally do is angle the cage up toward them. Come on, and then we just turn the cage around. Sometimes they're more compliant, sometimes they're less compliant. And I bring their seed dishes in as well, so they have something to munch on at night time. I'll grab the other seed dish. Here's the back. Alright. And then we put the bottom on the cage. See how much they love their mirrors. They're already tapping away on the mirrors and nibbling the mirrors, and that's how we do it.